Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a base profile because it defines the color and tone foundation. Open the Develop module, expand the profile browser, and scan Adobe RAW, Adobe Color, or your custom profiles. Click a profile to apply it and toggle the before / after view to spot differences. Once you see a look you like, make sure to compare 2 to 3 profiles quickly to avoid committing to a false start. This first step saves time and sets a consistent starting point for all further adjustments. Once the base profile is set, refine the image by adjusting tone and color to match your vision. Pull exposure and contrast for global balance, then recover highlights and lift shadows for detail. Next, tweak temperature and tint to correct white balance so the profile's color behavior reads natural. Make subtle saturation or vibrance changes to support the profile without overcooking tones. If Lightroom shows a profile amount slider, use it to blend the profile from 0 to full strength. This keeps the look flexible and controllable. To finish, add local adjustments. Use the brush, graduated, or radial tools to fine-tune exposure, clarity, or color in specific areas. Once done, save your settings as a preset or sync them across similar images to maintain a consistent batch look. If you spot weird color shifts, reset the profile and reevaluate temperature and tint. Sometimes profiles clash with extreme white balance. Lastly, make sure to view the file at 100% before exporting so sharpening and noise reduction read correctly. This prevents surprises after export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.